Santa Fe is an active city with the energy of the hipsters and the fashionable. However, Santa Fe is also a great place to just leave your troubles and your hectic life behind. Even after a bad day at work, invite a friend and let someone else do the driving. On the New Mexico Railrunner Express, you'll feel the stress just melt away. And you'll have plenty of time to unwind, appreciate the scenery, and treasure the time with friends. And when you get to Santa Fe, take a stroll to your favorite restaurant. Enjoy and have some fun. You won't have to worry about your drive back home. New Mexico Railrunner Express, getting you there in style.